Dropping it hard, dropping it raw, dropping them badass 50 curls on this very dance floor. Supremacy, make some noise, put your hands up, and give it up for Warface! Supremacy.
It's been a couple of meetings.
Yeah. Is it too much meetings, you think, maybe? Or...
Yeah, we talked about it at Aurora. I'll try and reduce the number of meetings.
Mm.
Yeah, I've always had that feeling that Aurora is all the time in the meetings.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do a typical sprint development. They have iteration of 2 weeks with sprint planning and refinement meetings and stuff like that. So
Hey,
I'm
Ned.
not a huge fan of meetings, but yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
hey,
Did you start your new role, Tech Ops Executive?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like 3 weeks ago.
Okay. Oh, okay, nice. How is it? How does it feel?
Good. I haven't been doing too much tech ops executive things yet. I've been doing a lot of Zendesk still. But it's fun playing around in Grafana and Tableau and so on.
Okay. Good to hear that. Did Lenny accept the invite? He did. I will just check with him.
This cassette view that we have on the YouTube, is that like a default something, or see this?
maybe we can set like some kind of placeholder image. I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not able to find the stream. Or like I can start it, switch the buttons, try to relog. It's still
Did you
not there.
create? Okay, yeah. Okay, you set it up for Sweden. Then.
Did I?
Yeah, you should have changed the language to English.
Yeah, I was trying to because it's normal in Norwegian to begin with, so I probably misclicked. Can I change that now, or do I need to redo the event?
Yeah. You
Yeah,
can-
change that now.
It's Norwegian for me, but okay.
That's it.
Okay, but everything seems to be base setting because it says Evolution on some other game here now.
Yes, but let's look for the language and then change it.
Yeah. Save. Yeah, now I can do it. So I'm swapping to the pot now. Is that fine?
Yes.
Are you live now?
Yeah. You're not able to say? Can no one say?
No, it says videos unavailable.
Good.
That's because when I changed the event, it changed back to the old URL as well.
Ah, okay. Yeah, the edit events.
That's annoying.
Is there some way that we can fix this? That whenever you want to edit, you don't have to kind of set up everything over again.
Yes.
What do you
Robin
mean by
and-
set everything up again?
No,
because you have
don't-
to like when you click edit, you have the game goes back to like how it
to
looks
the
like when you
evolution. Yeah, the form
create
gets
events.
Yeah, Robin said he had fixed that like
I-
a week ago. but apparently not.
Mm.
But it's just a game, right? And a game provider.
Yeah, and
Language.
now the links as well.
Go. Okay, now everything should be correct, I think. Yeah, everything should be good now. From the settings I have at least.
Okay. It still shows the same videos unavailable.
But now it's a fixed URL, right? The URL is not gonna change from stream
Yeah,
to stream.
it looks like it's the fixed URL. If I choose some other live channel, it works. Is your, what do you call it, channel public? Yes.
No, it's set to the actually to like unlisted. It's not private, but it's unlisted.
Yeah. Maybe it has something with that.
I read that it needed to be public or unlisted as long as it wasn't private, but I can
Alright.
try to
Yeah.
I can try to change it. I'm just gonna find the setting. Where do I have it here? Public, done, save. Now it's public.
Works now.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. So you have to have public channels,
Yeah.
streamers.
Oh god, I could hear myself in the stream. It's a cringy feeling when you hear your own voice.
Usually is.
Just to make sense of this, so what are we testing here right now? Nils turned on, had this YouTube embed video and it is working.
Yeah, I'm looking at trying to see the latency now, but kind of need a big win.
Can't tell you the latency.
You can tell it.
Yeah, it's literally instant at the moment.
It is, yeah.
Give me a sec, I'll just double check on the other link too. No, it's like 3. It's about 10 seconds, 10-11 seconds. It's a bit slower. I can try refresh the page and see if it's just my.
How long do you reckon that Twitch? How long was the delay on when you were using Twitch?
Like between, I don't know, like it depends on how much buffering you've done, right? Because you always kind of lag behind if you watch a stream for a long time. But between like, I would say 2 to 5 seconds maybe, usually if you have decent connection.
Okay.
But okay, then I mean that it's good that we're able to use a fixed URL then.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean this is a good result, isn't it? Like.
I think so. Yeah.
I think the stream is quite crisp. Yeah.
So, like, when you were streaming on Twitch, like the quality options that you have, is it depending on if you're like partner or affiliate? How does that work?
No,
Because now you're able to stream with 720p 60 FPS.
I can
What
show
were
you.
did you have?
I don't know, I think I can.
You have the same options on Twitch?
Yeah, you just change everything in OBS here. Maybe you have a. Can you see the settings? I think you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you basically, I have very poor upload at the moment. I only have 10 in upload, so I can't stream very high bitrate. But you change everything in OBS, so it's no premium access. It's just what your computer and internet can handle, basically.
Okay, so YouTube and Twitch don't cap you.
No,
all.
I think the highest you can do at the moment is 1440p. Is the absolute highest you can do. And Chrome kinda just started supporting those streams a few weeks ago. So that works. I think that's the highest at the moment.
Okay, and yeah, no, I was just thinking if we would have some quality limitations if switching to YouTube, but then no, so that's good.
It should be the same. I think
Nice, that's great.
For videos, actually, YouTube supports up to 4K, right? Even.
Yeah.
I don't know how it is for the stream though.
Did you have because now it didn't kind of happen automatically, like I had to start the video every time. I guess that's just how is with the player, the YouTube player. I don't know. You have
Yes,
to click play,
I'd guess. Yeah.
Yeah, I did the same thing yesterday.
I don't think we have any control over that.
No.
It's the same with the volume, so the volume is by default muted.
Mm-hmm. But it's muted on Twitch as well. So.
Yeah, like that's the standard, I guess.
But the Twitch one that starts automatically. But I don't know if you set up an event now with the if you set up an event, it would just be interesting to see if it actually starts automatically now with when everything is set up correctly.
So I just finished this one and set up a new
one.
one.
I just finished this one and set up a new one. Yeah.
Right.
It's much cleaner with YouTube, actually. It's nice.
Yeah, because it doesn't have all the. Well, I mean, Niels, you don't have all the texts, you know, that you. I guess it will show.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
If you wrote like, yeah.
There's definitely been, in regards to the embed specifically, I think YouTube surpassed Twitch a bit. But when we were testing, like last year in the summer, YouTube was really shit, both to set up and was like 15 seconds delay, without exception. But it's a lot better now. I have to say.
Nice.
Sorry.
One feature missing from YouTube is clips, right?
Yeah.
You don't really have Twitch feature, like you can't.
Not really. I read something on Reddit last week that they're introducing clips to YouTube.
Oh.
Aha.
Maybe
Alright.
something.
We're in the forefront.
I'm not sure if they have launched or no. I need to check. But yeah, I read something that YouTube are also implementing clips.
Okay.
But I mean, it's not a big deal actually, because the streamer will. I mean, just because he uses YouTube for the embed doesn't mean that he's going to stop streaming on Twitch. So the clips will still be available.
Yeah, that's a good point, because we are just the ones using YouTube. He will still be streaming on Twitch. He will be streaming in both places.
I don't know how it works when you use that restreaming service though. Because I'm just putting in the actual stream key from YouTube, and I assume.
Yeah, but that's what they do as well. You know, they.
Yeah, but they have the extra software that restreams for them.
No, well, when I talked to Connor now, he said that he also does it directly through OBS.
Puts in two streamers, or
but that he uses Restream, that he would stream YouTube from and restream it to Twitch.
Okay, he uses the other way around. Okay.
Yeah.
It looks like it works if you add autoplay equals true in the URL. We can append it
Think-
also.
I think we have that already.
Not if I look in the HTML. If you wanted
Oh,
to autoplay
and-
the YouTube stream.
Oh, okay. Autoplay. Sorry, I thought you meant full. Never mind. Yeah.
Yeah, so if I think
Okay.
it looks to work if I tried autoplay true.
Can we
Looks
try
like
that?
it starts
Just-
away.
Set up one more and then.
You can just change the event stream URL, right? Because it hasn't ended yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I end event? What did you say?
I mean, you can end event and then just create a new
Alright.
one.
I mean, I created the event already, like the new one.
Okay.
Should I start it? Swap to the common pot?
But have you
but
fixed that problem? It's still the same session, right? So it's only the first event. So if I end the first event,
Okay. So I need to actually turn off the stream and then start the stream again. Because I ended the first event already, and then I made a new stream or a new session on our webpage.
Yeah, but did you add the link, the autoplay to the link?
No.
No. Could you send that to Nils maybe? Carl.
Oh, it's a
well,
URL
yeah, sure.
parameter.
yeah,
Okay.
Maybe
okay.
we
I thought
can-
it was
maybe
the
we-
iframe setting.
yeah. I don't know. Maybe I can add it to the iframe also, but it works in the URL at least.
I could check
You could add. Sorry.
I'm gonna check if it works by just adding it to the iframe, because if it works as a iframe setting, then we are in control. Then we can always
Yeah.
have it to autoplay true, and the streamers
yeah.
don't need to worry about it.
I mean, we can always add it to the URL before we.
Yeah, that's true.
But yeah.
Let's see.
Okay.
How does this URL look like? Do you have it?
I posted it on Wispen Execution. You just.
Uh-huh,
oh,
okay,
sorry.
okay.
Wait, I made a mistake. Again, ampersand. Like that.
Alright.
Okay, so it's not like you can't
Save.
guess the channel here. It's kind of.
Okay, now it's there. The new URL.
And since the channel is public, I think you can navigate. You can just click on the link and it will show up in the browser. And it starts automatically, so it should work.
Yeah. Should I swap to the common pot now? Swapping.
It doesn't
Alright.
start automatically for me.
Not for me either.
Seems like
It's because the same URL still. If we end the event, it's still the first event.
It is because it is a part of the session. In a
Yeah.
session,
Exactly.
you
We still
can
have that
multiple
same.
events. Yeah.
We still have that same problem like
So
yesterday.
let's
Or
yeah, try with the user that I gave you yesterday.
Yeah, I'll try with the other user. Okay, yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
seems to be a URL query parameter thing. There's a setting called allow autoplay though, but since you got it to work without having that setting, so I guess it doesn't matter.
all right. I mean, we can always add it ourselves.
Yeah.
I think it would be nice feature to have later on to allow different ways to input the
The event
stream
is added now.
URL. Like,
Mhm.
I mean, it shouldn't matter for them if they add the channel, use channel ID or the URL to the channel or stuff like that. Shouldn't matter for them if they add
What's going on?
He's just confirming what Carl said.
No, well,
It doesn't autoplay for me at least.
No, it doesn't for me
Oh.
either.
it did for me.
Huh?
It autoplayed for me.
It doesn't autoplay for me at least.
Yeah, same
what
for me.
the-
Autoplays.
Yeah, it autoplays for me too.
Really?
So someone has speaker and needs to stop right now. You, Nandini?
Not me. I know this. I know how this works, so it's not me.
But it didn't work for you, Ruben?
No.
Which
I'm on,
browser are you using?
I'm on Chrome.
All right, me too.
Did you try refreshing the page?
Yeah. Weird.
Maybe there's like a settings in Chrome. Allow autoplay. I don't know.
I'm
Yeah,
using
yeah.
Firefox.
I kind of remember that there could be something like that, the setting.
But at least we fixed it for 50%, right? That's an improvement.
Are you also using Chrome, Carl?
There is an
Carl is-
autoplay toggle. You can check if that.
Right. I have an update for Google Chrome. Maybe that's. I don't know if that actually has anything to say, but
And maybe I am on incognito, and the standard settings for the Chrome may not apply for incognito window.
try incognito.
Please stop.
What?
Okay, this time it was my stream, sorry.
Uh,
There's like weird echo going around all. Okay, it worked for me on Chrome as well.
I tried in incognito, and it's not. It's the same for me.
Probably a browser setting. It must be.
Mm-hmm.
There's a allow sites to play sound setting on Chrome. That's probably not it.
And if this was in the iframe, this would not be a problem, or
It is in the iframe. Or what do you mean?
you said either we have it as a the autoplay function as a part of the link, or we could actually have it in.
Yeah, exactly. Now we add the autoplay into the URL. But if I thought it might be a setting as well in the iframe element, but it's not. Maybe there is something to this allow autoplay. Not really sure how we should test that though. Let me go in incognito Chrome. Okay, it did not autoplay for me in incognito. Let me test something.
But I do think. Oh, sorry.
No,
I do
no,
think
I'm
that
just no.
I do think that YouTube it looks neater, definitely. Like the Twitch has just way more text, I think, on the stream window. especially when it's small.
Okay, I think I got it now. So there is a setting in the iframe as well. Okay then. Then I guess we have no problems.
How can we test the setting? Can we test that now?
I could locally, but
Uh-huh.
for you to test it, I would need to deploy a new version to Mobile 15.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Would it work if we helped him change the HTML?
But like, yeah, but wouldn't you need to refresh the page to?
No, I think the
because
iframe will do that.
Okay. So yeah, okay, I can show you how to do it then. Let me share my screen.
Have you changed HTML in a page before, Ruben?
Of course, every day. Okay, so you were talking to me, right? When I was gonna do this, right? So it's me who's
Yeah, you
gonna
can
set this up.
Yeah,
Mm.
this
you
is
need
just
to do
try it
this.
for now. Those that don't have autoplay could try it if they want.
Okay. So I would be in the actual stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I right click.
If I'm sharing my screen in the Hangouts. I can show you.
Okay,
You
I
use
see that
Windows
now.
or Mac, Ruben?
Inspect.
Windows.
And
No, I use some. Okay, he uses Windows.
Yeah,
But
Ruben
the
uses
steps
one.
should be the same. So this doesn't matter if you're in the stream or it's still the same iframe. So you click inspect. Oh,
I'm done. I'm already there.
okay, and then can you see this iframe that's highlighted in blue?
Yeah.
If not, you might need to open up. There's this a small arrow on the left side of the thing that says div role presentation. Open up that
Div role presentation, and then I get iframe title, stream video.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So right click the iframe and click edit as HTML.
Yeah.
And then we will go after the quotation marks in stream video. You write allow equals and the quotation mark autoplay.
Allow equal
Quotation marks autoplay.
Play. Yeah.
And then you press enter.
Oh, that's.
Oh, okay. Just click.
not,
Just click outside the thing.
On Windows, it's Control Enter. Mac, maybe Command Enter.
Oh, okay. Or
Control
you
enter.
could just click in the. Yeah.
Control enter. What should I push here?
Yeah, Control Enter or just click anywhere on the.
Okay.
So.
and then I close down the inspect.
It should have
Did it work?
changed if you look at the site.
No, it did not work.
All right.
For me either. I did the same steps as
Alright.
Nicholas, but it didn't work. It is not
Uh,
working for Nicholas also. It is not
It is
autoplaying
working for me.
now.
Wait, what? Yeah. Okay. If you watch my
Mm-hmm.
my screen, I will show you that it's working.
No.
Okay. Now I written allow autoplay, and I click outside, and it starts playing.
Okay.
And that's also with autoplay true in the URL.
In the URL, yeah. In the URL it is.
I believe it's a combination of the two. Then I guess but because it has to be some sort of browser setting, or I don't know, because it works for me in Chrome without Incognito, and for you as well, Carl. So there's something going on. I don't know how much more time we should spend on this. But, yeah, we should be able to get it working. That's the
Okay,
think
that's
that-
all I kind of need to know.
yeah.
I also saw some other snippets you can add to hide controls and things like that. I wonder if we could also hide that more videos that if you pause the, basically if you pause the live video, it suggests other videos in the frame. I wonder if we can hide that, prevent that from happening.
Yeah. And maybe hide like share. The share button would also be nice to hide, maybe,
Yeah.
because he will be sharing the URL to the YouTube stream and not to Facebook.
With the quick googling, I thought that there are some more commands you can add to the URL to do lots of stuff. So hopefully it will be possible. Unless we can control what goes into the suggested videos, because then we can just suggest our own clips.
But I assume that the videos would need to be from YouTube, and the clips won't be hosted on YouTube.
Yeah, it's probably just the YouTube algorithm suggesting those.
Yeah.
Well, all sorts of random videos.
Yeah. Okay then. Are we happy? Ruben, are you
I'd
happy?
say so. If I'm happy,
Yeah.
yeah. I mean, you've done a very good job pleasing today, Nicholas.
It's Friday.
If you have
Friday. I mean, where's the beer? Where's the wine? And cereal?
It's still down already.
Whoa. Okay. Yeah. I mean, just when can we tell streamers to do the switch to YouTube? You know, like.
So if we want these features that we just talked about, we might need to do a release because we need to update the iframe settings, and also, as Carl suggested, we should probably put the allow or the autoplay setting in the URL for the streamer, so they don't do it. So we are in control of that. So we would need to do some minor code changes, but we would need to do a release, more importantly. So I guess they could start using it right away, but we wouldn't have these features.
What happens if you're on mobile? Because even the last data that we, I know Lenny shared that we had most of our players
point.
coming from mobile. So,
Good point.
I mean, today all of us tested on desktop. What happens on mobile?
Yeah, it's a really good point, Nandini.
Yeah.
So maybe we should create like a couple of Jiras and create a release, and then have an RC to test with that, so we can test with mobile as well, see that everything's okay before we start using YouTube.
Sounds good.
Okay, I will set up some Jiras for this then.
Yeah.
Yes.
What do you think, Nandini?
Yes, yes, we would need Jira's.
Because then you can test it
Mm.
in the ways that you want to test it.
So
Ah,
let's just go
okay.
through the Jiras that needs to be created now then.
Yeah, we need to put the autoplay feature in the URL, and we also need to update the iframe. I guess there's a 1 Jira would be enough. You can include it all in 1 Jira.
Yeah, autoplay is specifically when the streamer uses YouTube videos, right? And not Twitch videos. And not when streaming from Twitch.
Yeah, I guess, but we would probably have the. Yeah, that's a good point. Yeah, exactly. When it's from YouTube.
Mm.
That's correct.
Okay.
Okay, so the autoplay feature in the URL, and then we need to remove unnecessary stuff from the iframe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Anything else?
Mhm.
Don't think so.
No? All right. Thank you for this, Nils.
No worries.
Yep.
Yes,
Thanks,
Nels.
Nils.
Thank you so much, Nels.
you.
I know you
And
moved
everyone
to a new
else.
role. Yeah, we still keep coming to you for a small test. I know
No
you miss
worries.
us, so this way you can interact with all of us.
Well, Sean told me before I got the role that he promised to lend me to a lot of other departments. So
You're that boy.
yeah, the other one gets passed around.
Yeah. Are you doing some photo shoots in the background there, or?
No, I bought a green screen.
Uh-huh.
But my roof is leaning, so
Leaking.
it's
Uh-huh.
too big. So I'm just waiting to hopefully get an apartment soon, close to here, which actually has a straight roof, so I could put it up.
Nice. Exciting.
Yep.
King Nils 2.0.
Almost 3.0.
Almost. 3.0, yeah.
Upgrading.
Yeah. All right. Thank you,
Okay.
guys.
Thanks, guys.
Cheers.
Yes,
Enjoy.
bye-bye.
See you
Bye,
guys.
Yeah.